Good morning, one and all. Dear participants, at the outset, I express my thanks for having got the opportunity to submit my paper also in this International Cloud Second Conference on Cloud-based International Conference on Computational Systems for Health and Sustainability, which is conducted on 5th June 2020. I am Dr. S. Sridhar, former Vice Chancellor of Dr. K. N. Modi University. Presently, I am the Founder, President and CEO of Sbyte Technologies, who is organizing this international conference. I welcome you all, dear participants, research scholars, faculty members, and students, and revered speakers who contributed with excellent speeches during this conference. My paper title is Review Study on Existing Computational Healthcare Tools for Sustainability. The medical history is experiencing an increase in the amount of data generated in terms of complexity, diversity, and timeliness. The industry increasingly relies on the collection and analysis of data. Therefore, to make better decisions, we need to collect data and conduct effective analysis. The cloud is a good choice for on-demand services for storing, processing, and analyzing the data. Medical data released and shared through the cloud are very popular in practice, and information and knowledge bases can be enriched and shared through the cloud. The revolution presented by the cloud and big data can have a huge impact on the healthcare industry, and a new healthcare system is evolving. This is why we need to design more appropriate healthcare system to meet the challenges presented by this revolution. The diversity of data storage needs a uniform standard of heterogeneous data management. On the other hand, due to the diversity of medical equipment, the data formats and the amount of data generated by various devices may be quite different, which needs that the system support data access by various medical devices to ensure high scalability and satisfy actual medical needs. On the other hand, the system needs to convert the revised data into unified standard to improve the efficiency of data storage, query, retrieval, processing, and analysis. This paper presents a review study on existing computational healthcare tools for sustainability. The key words of this paper will be medical industry, complexity, diversity, timeliness, healthcare systems, sustainability, and scalability. Now, in this paper, I have defined what is big data. As the name suggests, big data represents large amount of data that is unmanageable using traditional software and or the internet-based systems or platforms, whatever you call. It surpasses the traditionally used amount of storage, processing, and analytical power. Even though a number of definitions for a big data are available, the most popular and well-accepted definition was given by Douglas Laney. Laney observed that big data was growing in three different dimensions, namely volume, velocity, and variety. So this is the definition of big data, and nowadays they are using the artificial intelligence also in healthcare systems, and healthcare as a big data is well utilized. Healthcare is multidimensional system established with the sole aim for the prevention and treatment of the health related issues and impairments in human beings. The major components of healthcare system are the health professionals. So, the financial institutions supporting the former two, the health professionals belong to various health sectors like dentistry, medicine, midwifery and nursing, psychology, physiotherapy, and so on and so forth. Healthcare is needed at several levels depending on the needs. So, at all these levels, the health professionals are responsible for different kinds of information, such as the patient's medical history and the medical and clinical data and the other private and personal medical data. And wireless communications and mobile computing is also playing a major role in healthcare systems. The emotional perception of medical services. This is very most important. A doctor is a data node that provides access to system middleware, not simply the physical data link or the original data preprocessor. In addition to cleaning of the data, removing redundancy and compression, the pre-processing module also supports data format conversion. Depending on the type of data collected, the adopter uses a system-defined data, standard or formal conversion. The encrypted module is well utilized so that the privacy is protected. And nowadays they are improving the scalability of this system also. And simple analytics is used for analysis of the data. And distributed storage is well utilized because of volume of data. You have to distribute the data to different server and thereby you are doing the analysis of the data. And I have already explained the role of big data in healthcare, and artificial intelligence is also utilized. So my conclusion is the cloud is a good choice for on-demand services for storing, processing and analyzing the data. Medical data released and shared through the cloud are very popular in practice, and information and knowledge base can be enriched and shared through this cloud. The revolution presented by the cloud and big data can have a huge impact in the healthcare industry, and a new healthcare system is evolving. This is why we need to design more appropriate healthcare system to meet the challenges presented by this revolution. The diversity of the data needs a uniform standard of heterogeneous data management. On the other hand, due to the diversity of medical equipment, the data formats and the amount of data generated by various devices may be quite different, which needs that the system support data accessed by various medical devices to ensure high scalability and satisfy actual medical needs. This paper thus has presented a review study on existing computational health care for sustainability. Thank you very much.